What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today I got an email from audience member. Let me just read it out for you. So email sounds like this. Hi Kenny, hope you are well. I am. Okay. And thank you for producing your videos. They are very educational and interesting. And I hope you will continue producing more of them. I have a dilemma and hope to get some advice from you. I am in my mid 40s. Okay. Married with a kid in primary school. After being in the IT industry and multinational companies for many years, I have stable income and a fair share of savings and investments, FD, unit trust, shares, etc. We also have a double-story house that my family and I live in, and my wife and I have a car each, all fully paid up. Okay, double-story house and car, all fully paid up. With what I have currently, I've done some calculation, and it should be enough to cover the family expenses up to the time I'm 80 years old and to pay for our kids' education up to degree. I'm continuing to work now even though I really hate working and hate my job, so that I can save up a little more in case I live until Mahathir's age and also to enjoy a slightly more luxurious retirement in future, and lastly to be able to pass down some money for the kid. If I go with this path, I plan to stop working in my IT line soon and retire or take up some simple part-time job after that just to pass time. For the purpose of own stay, my family and I are satisfied with our current house and we have no plans to upgrade to a big house. The bigger the house, the more cleaning we need to do. Haha. Okay, I understand how you feel. People are telling me that I should also buy a property for investment purpose. That is, buy and then rent out, as that will give capital appreciation and recurring rental income. And that's where my dilemma is. Right now, I am financially comfortable without any loans and without worry of financial commitments. Should I venture into property investment, buy one or few properties, and take up loan in view of capital appreciation and recurring rental income? Going this path will require me to continue working for many more years, especially if I take into account the risk of property being left vacant due to tenant moving out or expenses due to repair, etc. that I need to do. And also the fact that rental income may be less than installment amount. Your views on this will be very much appreciated. Which option will you take if you were in my situation? Thank you. First of all, thank you for sending the email. Okay. And I also like the way you actually mentioned the email. What option will I take if I would be in your situation? And first of all, and I'm not in the position to advise anybody lah, but this is what I would do. First, I want to congratulate you on you have planned your finances very very well. At age of 40s already, you and your wife have a double story house and also have car each, two cars and all fully paid up. You have planned very well, okay? So now you got no loans and without worry of financial commitment, which is very good. Not many people can actually say they are debt free by 40s. Okay, so if I were in your situation, personally, I wouldn't buy property to invest, especially not at the age of mid 40s here. And you yourself say you don't have to worry about financial commitment, which is something that I think you should continue because peace of mind, right? Actually, as you get older, peace of mind is actually the biggest flex in the currency that we can have. Our health and the peace of mind is the biggest that we can have. And if buying real estate, like what you say, investing in real estate, you yourself have listed all the possibility of having the cons here, like vacant, repairs, installment amount. I don't see why you should spend your money to buy this real estate to rent out with the hope that to receive recurring rental income. I won't do it lah. I won't do it because to me my peace of mind is the most important. As I want to retire, right? Want to stop working. That's my peace of mind is the most important. What I would do, however, is to look back at the work situation. You say that you really hate working and you hate your job. Trust me, bro. Once you have a lot of free time when you stop working, right? It 6 months later, you will get old. It gets old very fast. Honestly, 6 months later, you will start be itchy again, and then you will start like taking your money, your FD, your unit trust or your shares, right, to do something, to do business or something. So it's not good to be idle. So what I will do personally is that I will take some part of the money, yeah, and then look at what are my interests. You say you hate working, right? I would like to offer you another perspective, and you hate your job, right? So I'd like to offer you another perspective. Personally, I have been very resistant to come back to real estate because I really hate the the industry, the people in it, and also my banking industry. That's why I don't want to go back to banking. But then, as I'm in real estate, right? I quit my job last year, so I had a lot of time to think actually. And when I quit my job, I feel like more calm, right? I got more time to think. I realized what made me stressful was that when working for the bank, I have very little freedom. I have no freedom to say that what time I come in, how I work, and then every time you working in a bank in a sales position is every day. So they will threaten you with either you hit your target or you get fired. Either you hit your target, you get fired. So I've been in that loop, right, for years. That's the only life I know, because I wanted to pay off my loan as fast as possible, so that I can be in your position, which financially without commitments. So I wish I could actually stick to a job, that even though I hate working and I hate my job, I can stick, but I can't. So if you can, you are in a better position for me to leverage on that job that you have now to find what you really want to do. Okay, so I will look at things that I really want to do. Like, it doesn't have to be choose one and then stick to it. No, I will use my money that inside that I have, since I don't have financial commitments. I'll use my money to experiment the things that I like to do, or maybe I like to what? Maybe it's not the IT that you hate. Okay, it's the same like me. I thought that I really don't like in real estate industry, but actually I really don't like the people. The people made me really very frustrated, both in banking and real estate because in banking, I cannot choose my customer, I cannot choose my boss, and I have to polish shoe, and I really not good at polish shoe. I come here, I do my work, I get off. That's my mentality. But when I come out to real estate, right, I use this approach because I don't know how to pusing one. So I use this approach. I get I get bullied. People take advantage of me because I don't know the rules of the game in real estate. Every industry have their own rules of the game, and I also don't know my own boundaries. Okay, and what I like and what I don't like. So partly because the reason I came back for real estate is because I get to choose who I work with and what I do with my time. So I like to spend my time creating videos like this, and also work with people I want to only work with. And to do that, I need to have a lot of people that um, know about me, know my services, and then come and choose to work with me. That's it. Okay, I like that freedom, that if I don't like to work with that person, or that customer is difficult, or landlord is difficult, prospect is difficult, I have the option to say no. Okay, and I also want to tone down myself. I also need to tone down myself, and how I tone down myself to from working too much is to stop chasing the bigger company, more money, but I don't have a goal. So now I have a goal. For me, 1 year I can earn from real estate active business. I set myself 1 year 300,000 enoughly. I don't care about those people that earn million one. That one is good for you, but my set of goals to me is 300,000 a year. That's it. How much I do rentals, sales, everything, that commission, that gross commission is 300,000 a year. Okay, gross commission here meaning that after the agency split okay, after the split agency, that's net. Sorry, that's net commission. Okay, gross commission is before the agency split. Okay, 300,000. That means the fees I collected is 300,000. That's it. People ask me why 300,000. Frankly speaking, I find that I have 25,000 a month is enough already. At this moment, future I don't know, but it doesn't matter. What matters to me is that I have a goal to work towards. Not like keep on, you know, oh, I want to quit my job. I hate my job. I want to quit my job. I use my job as a push factor instead of a pull factor. Something pulling me. That's where I actually get impatient now, must say. I did earn my money and I get impatient because I didn't give myself time to actually like think about what I really want to do or try some things. Just try things. That's why now in real estate, right, I'm very grateful. My agency, my leaders, they are very supportive. They let me try things. Yes, it should be because it's your own business, so you need to try things. So that's what I will do with my extra time, exactly, to see what I really like. And maybe IT is something that you like. It's just the people that made it that way. I don't know. But if it's really not something that you like, perhaps you can just deep down inside and ask yourself whether what you like. Simple part-time job. Actually, nowadays, like a lot of simple part-time job can be done online. So if it's preferably something that can be done online and something that you like and you're good at, okay? Maybe not having a boss or not having a deadline or not having to play office politics will change your mind lah. Okay, but this is what I will try. So I hope that gives you an answer. And okay, for personally lah, if I have this so much money also, right, I also will try to put into investments like be recurring income one, because I understand that recurring income is very important for retirement, right? I'll put into the high dividend yielding stocks. There's those that stable one blue chip. I think 1 year about 6% enough already. I will continue putting in it, okay, until I have some amount that I can use every month. I can withdraw every month. That we will be, it won't finish. That's what I'll do. So you need to calculate the amount you need, needed monthly needed expenses. Maybe part of it or all of it can cover from these dividends from high dividend yielding stocks. I will also consider overseas stocks, because you will have the extra forex gain. The forex gain. You money invested overseas, but spent in Malaysia, since the currency is, as we all know, is big, right? So earn in strong currency, spend in weaker currency. And maybe if I still want to own property, I will buy REITs. I will not buy direct ownership property, because as you mentioned here, you are financially free. We got no financial commitment, sorry. So I wouldn't add. From your email, right, I got a sense that you are not comfortable with the extra loans as you get older. And I understand how you feel. I personally would not want to do that, okay? So don't invest in real estate as you get older. It's not a good investment. It's not a good investment. Furthermore, now, right, we do have a lot of options, not like last time. We can even invest overseas cheaply. Invest in REITs, stocks overseas that gives us dividends. Okay, so you can look for the stocks that yield about 6 to 8% per annum. But I would be very conservative to put it at 6. Okay. Then one more thing. I think that you need to take note of. When you decide to leave your job, right, and you tell people, I can guarantee you this will happen. You will definitely get people, your friends, long lost friends or long lost family, suddenly relative will call you. Hey boss, hey bro, come yum cha. And then introduce you business opportunity lah, introduce you some dubious scheme lah, introduce you scam scheme lah, teach you how to make multiply the money lah. All these are all, I tell you, no need. All these are bullshit. Okay, just cruise and slowly go and live your life. Okay, find a hobby, or maybe you want to go fishing or what. You need a hobby. Okay, that work is work, hobby is hobby. You may go fishing or what, or find new friends, go hiking or what. Just do something. Do not be frivolous with the money, because I can guarantee you these people will come and ask, and all your people that around you will ask you for your money. Okay, this is exactly what happened to me. Okay, and I was impatient. I really was impatient, so I lost a lot of money. And now, as I mentioned in my previous video, I'm starting all over again. Okay, but there's also a but lah. When human beings when you tell them don't do something, they will FOMO mah. So I will allocate a little bit of my money to give it a FOMO, to just like what you say, scratch that itch. Maximum 10% of my income from dividend. Let's just say the dividend 1 month is 5,000 example. Maximum is 10%. So 500 ringgit, I say okay this one is play money. It's just like go to casino and throw lah. If win, if no win, go back. So just to scratch that itch, because we are human lah. We have to admit it. We are human. We cannot like how to say to suppress ourselves. We need to scratch that itch. Okay, so I will do that actually. About 10%. That's it. 1 month like 500, and that 500 put in whatever scheme lah, MLM lah, dubious scheme lah, what business lah. If the business can't start with 500, I don't want. That is what I will do. Okay, so I think that's all I want to share with you. My thoughts are okay. I like that you actually ask me instead of what I would do in your situation. And I hope you don't take this as advice. This is just my personal thoughts. Is something that might work for me. It might not work for you. Okay, I always emphasize that this is just what I think. And I personally, all of you out there watching, right? I don't know your situation. I don't know you. So whatever that you ask me, most of the time I give you is always general. Okay, but all in all, I'm very happy to hear from you all from emails like this, and I hope that we can do more of this. So if you have any more questions that you find that is more personal, you don't want to ask in the comments, just email me. I try to take as many as I can. I don't promise, but I try to take as many as I can. And I will answer it in a video like this for you all. Okay? So this is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.